We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with an HP MFP M479-FDW. So these are just a few tips and tricks you can do to eliminate some of your paper jams. Not all, but some. So right here you have these guides that you can move for the type of media you're using or the size of paper. So just make sure both of those are in its locking position. You don't want it too tight or to be able to move it without pressing on the little lever. You also have these little indentions. This is going to be your max level indicator. You never want to feel over that or too close to that. If you do, then it'll be hard for the printer to pick up the paper and print on. Another thing you would need to do is if you are putting new paper in there, you never want to just put it in there. As you can see, it's not always aligned. So what you need to do is take your new paper and combine it with your old paper. Then fan it out. I like to do this a lot, especially with us living in Oklahoma. There's a lot of condensation and humidity in the air. So go ahead and fan that out. Once you do that, align them all at the same time. Stick it in your tray. You should be good to go. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.